Hello students, today we'll learn a beautiful but sad poem. The name of the poem is A Tiger in the Zoo. It's written by Leslie Norris. This poem is about a tiger in a zoo. Let's understand the poem line by line. He stalks in his vivid stripes, the few steps of his case on pads of velvet quiet. In his quiet rage. The tiger is walking slowly in his cage. He has beautiful stripes on his body. His paws are soft like velvet, but inside he is very angry. He wants to be free, not in a cage. He should be lurking in the shadow, sliding through long grass near the water hole where plump deer pass. The poet says, the tiger should be in the jungle. He should be hiding behind long grass. He should be near a water hole. There he can watch deer and hunt them. This is his natural life. He should be snarling around houses at the jungle edge, baring his white fangs, his claws terrorizing the village. The poet says, the tiger should be moving near the village. He can roar, show his teeth and claws. He can make people afraid. That is the power of a wild tiger. But he is locked in the concrete cell. He is trunked behind birds, stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitors. But now, he is locked in the cage. It is made of strong concrete and iron bars. His strong body cannot break the bars. He walks slowly again and again, feeling sad. He does not care about the visitors. He hears the last voice at night, the patrolling cars, and stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars. At night, he hears the sound of patrolling cars. They are the zoo guards. But the tiger does not react. He looks at the shining stars in the sky. His eyes are bright, but full of sadness. Here in the poem, the poet wants to give us a message. Wild animals like tiger should live in the forest. Cages make them unhappy and helpless. We must stop keeping animals in cages. Let them be free. Let them live in their homes, the jungle.